Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you step by step on how to create this customer satisfaction survey. So now that you see the end result, let's get started. So let's start out on our dashboard page, and then you can click anywhere in the Manage My Forms section. Once you do that, then we get taken to our form management page where we can click on the Create a New Form button in the top right. Now let's start by naming our new form. For this example, I will call it Customer Satisfaction Survey, and then I will click on the Save Form button. As we saw, our customer satisfaction form will have 5 questions with 4 different answer options. To recreate that, we need to click on the radio button element on the left side Elements panel. Once the radio button field appears, we can click anywhere inside of it to get to the radio button options. Once in the radio button options, we are able to change the names of our values. First, let's change the name of our radio button to the first question. Number 1, how would you rate the quality of our customer service? Next, we will change the display in option from 1 to 2 columns. Then that takes care of the field properties. So now we can click on the radio button options to add in our 4th option. We can click on the green plus icon underneath the 3rd value to add in another value. With that, we now have our 4, and we can go in and change the display names and values. So we will add in excellent, fair, good, poor, and then click the Apply button at the bottom. Now we see our first question, and that has 4 different answer options to choose from. There are a couple different ways we can do this moving forward to get our 5 questions. We can either click on the duplicate icon in the right corner of the element field, or we can just select the radio button 4 more times to have a total of 5 questions. For the sake of this video, I will just click on the radio button element 4 more times, so we have a total of 5 questions. To make things faster, I'll speed up the footage of me adding in the other questions of the survey. Now that our survey has 5 questions in it, let's save it and then move on to the designer to wrap up our survey. First, what we will do is start by creating a new design. We will start by clicking on the Add All Fields button on the left sidebar. After our fields have been populated, then we can click on the Form Styling button to edit a few things in our design. For this survey, let's make the width of the form be 600 pixels. And just for the fun of it, let's change the font colors to be black. We can do that by clicking on the font color field box and dragging the color picker to the bottom right corner to make the color black. And to make things universal, let's change the submit button from blue to black. So let's click on the button element, and you will see the element styling panel appear on the right, and we can click on the button color and drag the color picker to the bottom right to be black, just like we did with the font color. Now with those options saved, we can click on Preview Page and see how our survey looks. And there you have it. It looks exactly like it's supposed to, and that is how you make a survey using Indition Forms. Thanks again for watching the video, and leave a thumbs up if the video was helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.